Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Free Gift Coupons for WooCommerce. Introduction to Free Gift Coupons. In this video, I will show you how to use the WooCommerce Free Gift Coupons plugin. Let's get started. This plugin lets you offer free gifts to your customers. All they need is a coupon code. It's a great way to boost sales and keep your customers happy. Free gift coupons help increase customer engagement, encourage repeat purchases, and build customer loyalty by offering something extra. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Marketing and click on Coupons. There are two types of gift coupons: standalone free gift coupons and combo-style coupons. Standalone coupons give only free gifts. Combo-style coupons offer a discount plus a free gift. You can create a new coupon by clicking the Add New Coupon button. You can add a coupon code and select a discount type, such as a percentage discount, a fixed card discount, a fixed product discount, or a free gift. You can also enter the amount of the coupon in the coupon amount field. You can allow free shipping for the coupon and add an expiration date. We can include gift products by using this search product filter. We also have the usage restriction tab and the usage limits tab. In the usage restriction tab, we can add restrictions such as minimum spend, maximum spend, individual use only, exclude sale items, add products, add product categories, exclude product categories, allow emails, add product brands, and exclude product brands. Now, click on the usage limits tab. In this tab, we can add usage limits per coupon and usage limits per user. That's it. Free gift coupons are easy to set up and can make a big difference to your store. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.